So this is a website that focuses on this idea or style that Andy Warhol is famous for. So we click on Andy Warhol style, and Andy Warhol was a pop artist, and he would take images and have them look like this effect on the right hand side. So I like this website because it's neat for the fact that you get to work with a photo and then apply a filter on top of that photo. Um, so this could be a photo that you've taken yourself that you have inside your Google Drive account, or this could be a photo that you get off of the internet. So I am using the Chromebook from Plymouth Public Schools, just like you guys are as well. So I'm going to click once on here to open a new tab, and I'm going to search for a flower for this project because that's what I want to do. I like this one, but I can't save this image because it's going to be a small thumbnail. So instead I need to click once on it to make it larger. And now I have this larger image over here. Then I'm going to right click on this image and do Save Image As. And I'm going to name it Flower and press Save. And yes, that's fine. I can replace it with the other one. Now I need to go back here, and down at the bottom it says choose a file and it has to be a JPEG. Well, guess what? On a Chromebook, it doesn't save it as a JPEG. It saves it as this web page image, I guess. So I'm going to click once and open it up, and there's going to be an error. And I'm going to press OK. And it says, error, this is not a JPEG. And that's all right because this website also has an online converter. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then down here, I'm going to choose that file again. Again, I'm on the Chromebook and I'm in my downloads folder. And I'm going to click on this one. Even though it's wrong, it will convert to a JPEG for me. So it says select an image from your device. That's the one I want. I want it to be a JPEG and I don't want to make any changes. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK. And it says that it was successful. So now I'm going to open the processed image. No, I'm not. I'm going to download the processed image. And see, it was in my download folder, which is awesome. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose a file. And the file that I want to work with is the top one that was just created. And then I do not want to change. And I want to press OK. And then open the processed image. No. Press back. What did I do? Okay, so this is just taking me back to the converter. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to close out of those two. And I'm going to just go straight back to this website. And then I'm going to scroll down here and choose my JPEG. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm picking the top one and pressing open. And then this is cool. So I could have it be any number ranging from 1 to 20. So I'm going to have it be 8 and 5. Okay. And then I can change the amount of saturation that I want for my actual image. And I'm going to go ahead and press OK. And I'm going to open my processed image. And how cool is that? That is my daisies. And then I can right click on this image, copy it, and then take it here, get my blinking cursor in my artwork section and do Control V. And then I can paste it. And you know what? I'm actually going to crop it to here. Oops, I did the wrong one. I'm going to crop it to here, press enter, and then I'm going to scale this so it better fits in that box. And there I have my finished artwork. And then I can type here about it. So again, this is really cool because I'm just going to show you it if I didn't do so many, if I did 4 like that. So I'm going to pick my JPEG again, which is the top image in my download. And see, it says JPEG. And I'll do 4 and 4. So it's a smaller number, and you will see, open. Here it is, 4 times 4. And then I could right click and copy and paste that image in too if I wanted. And scale it to fit inside that artwork section. And again, remember, I don't mind if you want your artwork to be a little bit larger as long as it isn't covering up, right? It still needs to look neat and clean. So if it's like this, that's not going to look good. But I don't mind if you want your artwork to be on the larger sides and it doesn't fit perfectly within this center column. And then over here, you can type what you liked about that website, or the process that you went through, or maybe you decided to search Andy Warhol, the artist, now that you know who he is, to better see other work that he's created. And all of that could be typed over here underneath the